Assalamu alaikum, this is Aksa. You are listening to me AR English Skills YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn some daily use English sentences. So, let's get started. क्या ये सामान ठीक है? Is this stuff alright? Is this stuff alright? बाजार कितनी दूर है? How far is the market? How far is the market? रास्ता दिखाओ. Show the way. Show the way. मुझे तुम्हारा इंतज़ार रहेगा. I shall wait for you. I shall wait for you. मुबारक हो. Congratulations. Congratulations. मुझे नींद आ रही है. I'm feeling sleepy. I'm feeling sleepy. कोई सवाल? Any question? Any question? मैं महफूज हूँ. I am safe. I am safe. वो तुम्हारा वक्त था. That was your time. That was your time. ये मुनासिब वक्त है. It is high time. It is high time. मुझे अपना पासपोर्ट दिखाओ. Show me your passport. Show me your passport. तुम ऐसा ही करोगे. You will do so. You will do so. मैं आपको याद रखूँगा. I will remember you. I will remember you. मैं तुम्हारी हरकतों से खूब वाकिफ़ हूँ. I am well aware of your misdoings. I am well aware of your misdoings. मैं यहाँ तुमसे अपनी बेइज्जती करवाने नहीं आया. I am not here to get insulted by you. I am not here to get insulted by you. तुम ये बात प्यार से भी तो कर सकते थे. You could have said it to me politely. You could have said it to me politely. मैं तुम्हें कैसे भूल सकता हूँ? How could I forget you? How could I forget you? मैं इंतज़ार नहीं कर सकता. I cannot wait. I cannot wait. मेरे साथ बहस मत करो. Don't argue with me. Don't argue with me. मेरे सब्र का इम्तिहान मत लो. Don't try my patience. Don't try my patience. वो घर पर नहीं है. He is not at home. He is not at home. मैं जाऊँ या ठहरूँ? Should I leave or stay? Should I leave or stay? ये मेरा कसूर नहीं था. It was not my fault. It was not my fault. इंतज़ार करो और देखो. Wait and watch. Wait and watch. आप महसूस कर सकते हैं. You can feel. You can feel. मुझे तन्हा छोड़ दो. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. हरगिज़ नहीं. Not at all. Not at all. मुझे सख्त भूख लगी है. I am awfully hungry. I am awfully hungry. जैसे आपकी मर्जी. As you like. As you like. आप छू सकते हैं. You can touch. You can touch. आप बात कर सकते हैं. You can talk. You can talk. ये मेरा मसला नहीं है. It's not my problem. It's not my problem. मेरे बारे में फ़िक्र ना करें. Don't worry about me. Don't worry about me. जो हो रहा है होने दो. Let the nature take its course. Let the nature take its course. मैंने तुम्हारा क्या बिगाड़ा है? What wrong have I done to you? What wrong have I done to you? Thanks for watching this video. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।